Hey there, home cooks. Today, I'm going to show you how to make the ultimate spicy peach chutney, perfectly balanced with spicy, sweet, and tart flavors. This chutney is going to be your new kitchen favorite. Let's dive in. First up, you'll need some fresh peaches. Slice them up nice and thin. Then, finely chop 1 onion. Now, grab a pot and heat up a teaspoon of olive oil. Toss in the chopped onion and cook until it's soft and fragrant. Time to bring in the heat. Add 1 finely chopped Scotch bonnet pepper. Be careful, these babies are hot. Next, throw in a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, 1/2 cup of dark brown sugar, and a teaspoon of honey for that perfect sweetness. Add in 1 inch of grated ginger, 8 cloves, 1/2 teaspoon of dry mustard seeds, a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, a dash of salt, and a dash of black pepper. Stir it all together and let those flavors meld. Don't forget the raisins. They add a lovely texture. Cook on a medium-low heat until the peaches are soft and the mixture thickens up, about 20-25 minutes. Now for storage. Ladle your chutney into sterilized mason jars. Seal them up and let them cool. This chutney can last for months in your pantry. Wondering what to pair it with? Try it with grilled chicken, pork chops, lamb, roasted veggies, cheese platters, or even as a sandwich spread. The possibilities are endless. And there you have it, the ultimate spicy peach chutney. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.